this. And you want to try to develop a wood shop somewhere at your house, maybe in a barn, maybe an outbuilding, or maybe in your basement or your attic. What are some of the basic power tools? We're not talking about hand tools at this point, but power tools, all these need electricity, that you would need to begin to do woodworking. Well, once you start, you'll be surprised how many power tools and other tools you'll get for birthdays or anniversaries or Christmas. Gift cards for Lowe's and Home Depot or some local hardware store. But if I was going to open up, or at least outfit a wood shop, and I've never done it before, here are some tools I would definitely want to get. First of all, I'd want to get a jigsaw. I've got to have a jigsaw to cut my lumber. See that? You put a bit right here, a blade rather, right here, and when you turn that on, you cut right through any wood you come in contact with. You can cut light metal, you can cut heavy wood, thick wood, 2x4s. Get you a big pack of blades, a multi-pack, and if there's a lot of teeth on the blade, that means you can cut heavy wood. If there's fewer teeth, smaller teeth, but a lot of them, that's usually for metal. But I would definitely get a jigsaw. And then number two, I would get a cordless screwdriver, a cordless drill, excuse me. I can't tell you how many screws I have drilled with this Ryobi lithium battery, 18 volt. It comes with 2 different battery packs and a charger. It lights up automatically here. See that? This has been a sweet, sweet ride, and I've had this for several years, and I'll continue to use that. Then, when you put your projects together, you might want to sand them. Here is a vibrating sander. It's a Craftsman. I don't even know if they make them anymore. But you need a half a sheet of sandpaper here, and then it on and off on the side here. See here. And so forth. And that might be good for my top here. That'll clean that right up. Okay? So there's a couple there that you might want to use. Here is a regular power drill. It has a cord with it. It has the holes up here. It has a key to tighten it. This one here, all you do is tighten it by hand. See, I'm going to untighten it, take out the bit, store it in a little convenient spot there, and so forth. But this one came with a key, and you have to manually tighten it with that key. This is probably one of the oldest tools I have, but again, I've used it for years and years. Let's see if it still works. Look at that. After more than 30, 35, even maybe 40, at least 35 years. Okay, so that's kind of handy. It's good to have 2 drills. You could put a drill bit in here and a driver here, so you drill a hole, then drive it, drill a hole, drive it, and so you don't have to keep unchucking, putting it, and rotating back and forth. So this really comes in handy. I would also, if you can, I would get a screwdriver like this Roto bit from Black & Decker. The light automatically comes on. These are only about $30, but it comes with bits back here. That's why it's called Roto. They rotate. Rotate. There's 8 bits in here. See that? Again, very handy, very powerful little screwdriver. Cordless. Then, if you get into a big table project, let's say a larger project, even let's say you wanted to sand the top of this bench that I built for my shop. Go get you a belt sander. This is a Black & Decker. It really does move the sawdust. Listen to the power of that unit. And then one more item you would no doubt want to get when you can is get you a circular saw. Okay, get you a circular saw. Again, this is one I've had for the longest time. I'm not even sure if it works anymore. It's Craftsman, I think. Yes, it is. 2 1/4 horsepower. The blade on it is 7 1/4 inches. And let's see, let me plug this in here. There we go. Now I think it's going to work. I was just teasing around. See, watch this. If you want to cut through sheets of plywood, this comes in handy for the longer distance rather than this jigsaw. You have to push a button here first, and then pull this over here, this button, this on-off here. It's got a safety here, see that? So when you put it down, you're not going to cut anything by accident. And right now the blade on mine is pretty rusty. I'm going to need another one. But all you do is follow this little area right here, this little groove, and that lines it up with the blade. And then, watch this. If you want to cut at an angle, you can. Let's see how that works. Oh, I haven't done that in a long time. See that? You can cut it at an angle. The face of it stays flat. So if I had this flat surface like this, you can see it's going to cut it at an angle. Anyway, so there's some of the basic tools you'll need, power tools that is, besides nails, screwdrivers, saws, and all these other things that you need, sandpaper. Go start a wood shop. You'll always be glad you did.